Yes, here we go. You are playing white, and actually it's not white to move, it's your opponent's turn. So your opponent here played this smart move. Look at this. Knight is on f5, and he played knight d4, attacking your queen. The question here, is it a good move by black or not, and why? Take your time, please, don't rush. Once you spot the answer, raise your hand. Once again, guys, try always to be aware of the tricks, the traps. Yeah. So why knight d4? Why my opponent sacrifices his knight? Why is it hanging for free? My pawn can capture the knight. So what are the consequences, right? Naira, what's your answer, Naira? Share with me, please.
The pawn will capture the black bishop.
The black knight. No. Yeah, the black knight. Okay, very good. Very good answer, or very good try by Naira. Okay, I will analyze your answer shortly. So just stay tuned, please. Let's pick more answers. Shivai.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shivai, what's your answer here? Is it a good move or a bad move by black?
I go for good move.
Good move. Why? What is the reason? The knight is hanging. See? Black is sacrificing his knight for free. You can capture. So why is the good move? What's the reason?
Yeah, that's why I said yes.
So what's your final answer here?
My answer is, if you capture the queen.
Now it's white to move. It's your turn now as white. Of course, as black, you can't capture the queen. Black cannot capture the queen because he just made his move. So, oh, sorry. So guys, now it's white to play, white to move. So Shivai, your answer is unclear to me. Is it a good move or a bad move, and why? You have to give me you have to provide the reason. What do you think? Don't rush. You can take your time. What is the trick? What is the purpose?
So he's confused actually now.
Okay, no problem at all. I understand. I'm just trying to to activate, to provoke his mind. No problem at all. So yeah, Shivai, stay tuned for more answers, please. I will analyze your answer later on. Let's pick Faizan. Yeah, let's go for Faizan. What's your answer?
Sir, I think this is a bad move.
It's a bad move. What is the reason, please?
Because he just gave us his knight for free.
Okay, so you can simply capture the knight, right?
Yes.
Okay, good try by Faizan. Please mute your mic. So guys, please keep your background. I mean, sometimes your background is very noisy. So please keep your environment around more quiet. Okay, just to be able to hear your answer, please. Okay, so the next hand is Zaid. What's your answer, Zaid?
Sir, it's a bad move.
It's a bad
because
move. Yes.
Sir, he's just sacrificing his knight for no reason.
For no reason. So you will go with just capture the knight for free, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
sir,
nice try.
Sir, because when I capture the pawn to the right, then again the white is trying to capture the black queen.
Yes. So you can simply go here. Just the pawn can capture the knight on d4 for free.
Yeah.
Okay, nice try by Zaid. Thank you. Let's go for Yunus. Yes, Yunus, what's your answer?
It is a good move for black.
A good move for black. Oh, a surprise. So what is the reason, Yunus?
I still didn't find it.
So you are just guessing. You are just giving the answer without identifying the reason, which means just guessing, right? So Yunus, can you hear me? Yunus, stay with me, please. So let's analyze your answer. You think this is a good move by black. What is the reason? Because actually, black is simply sacrificing the knight for free. So everyone around agreed that this is a bad move. You are the only answer. I mean, the only different answer. You are saying this is a good move. Why? I will simply capture your knight for free. Is there any reason behind your answer?
No.
So, okay, you just believe, you just feel. Okay, you rely on your feelings, so you have no calculation. So, okay, nice try by Yunus. Thanks, Yunus. I will go for the new hand. Okay, thanks, Yunus. I will go for the new hand. The new hand here is, Adam Chris. Yes, Adam.
It's a good move.
It's a good move.
Yeah.
Oh, another surprise. What is the point? So what is the purpose of
Because
sacrificing the knight?
if we move the pawn to pawn captures the knight,
Okay,
then the queen can capture the rook.
but the rook is protected. The rook is protected by another rook. I will capture your queen, right?
Yeah.
So you didn't see the other rook? I mean, this rook is not for free. I mean, if I capture, right? If you touch my rook, oh, there is another rook defending the rook. So you will lose your queen as well. You just lost your knight, but you will lose your queen too, right, Adam?
Yep.
Okay, very nice try, guys. So let me analyze your answers, please. It's time to analyze your answers. So please, I will keep, my rule. I will give only one chance, single chance for everyone. So please don't raise your hand twice. You have only a single chance to raise your hand or to share your answer. So please don't raise your hand for another time, just to save our time, right? Okay, so guys, let's look at this position. The last move by black was knight d4, attacking my queen. Actually, I have to ask myself, this is our today's topic. You have to think ahead. You have to calculate in advance before going for any free piece. Maybe it's a trap. Maybe it's a trick. Maybe it's like a sneaky idea by my opponent. So please don't fall for traps easily. You have also to be a tricky player and not easy to fall for your opponent's traps, right? So you have to ask yourself a little question. What is the point of this sacrifice? Why my opponent is giving up his knight for free? Actually, the closest answer was found by Eunice and Adam Chris. So guys, bravo, but actually I'll give you like 50% of the answer because you did not provide the reason. This is a very smart idea, actually, because yeah, it's not a good idea. I will tell you why now, but this is a good trick, smart trick. Why? If you capture the knight, simply black will go for your rook. And if you capture the rook, guys, the queen, sorry, with your rook, there is another capture with the rook, which means this is a checkmate, right? It's a checkmate. This is called back rank checkmate. Of course, it's not checkmate in one. There is queen d1 first, blocking the rook, and after that, you capture the queen finally, and this is, yes, eventually a checkmate, right, guys? So that's why it was a sneaky, clever idea by our opponent. So please don't go for the knight. You think it's for free, so you'll get checkmated. So please, let's go back to the starting position here. After knight d4, you have to calculate, what can I do here? Should I capture the knight? Of course not. We just found that capturing the knight for free is a very, very bad decision by white because simply you will lose your rook. And if you capture the queen, you'll got checkmated. So you have fallen for your opponent's trick. Now your opponent is very happy. He won the game, right? Your king got checkmated by checkmate pattern called back rank checkmate. So please, let's go back. What is your best decision? Actually, this knight d4 move is not the best move in the world. It's not the best on the planet. So we have to punish this move. It's a trick, but it's a bad trick. So how to punish the trick with another, even more clever trick? There is, even a better trick by white to punish this trick by black. So please, Eunice, try to lower your hand unless you are going to, you want to go to washroom. So please, as I said, it's only a single try to save our time, right? Okay, we have, I think we have time to take one more example. Okay, so guys, how to punish this bad trick? Actually, it's, don't get intimidated by your opponent's trick. So, Faizan, please lower your hand. It's only a single try for everyone. Single try. Okay, guys, not to waste more time. Once again, you have to be more clever. You have to be more tricky than your opponent. So if you notice, guys, there is a knight. Let's remove all those arrows. There is a knight and also a bishop on the same file, on this D file. This is called D file. The bishop is under attack by the knight, but actually it's guarded, but actually it's guarded by the queen, right, guys? So here, the knight is under attack by the pawn, but actually it's guarded by this idea, this trick. So you can't touch the knight. But you have this stunning move, this very good surprise for us, bad surprise for our opponent. So this is queen d1, saving your queen because actually this knight was eyeing your queen. So just run away with your queen, but to the best square. So queen d1. Now your threat is to maybe capture with the pawn because now there is no actually queen takes rook because now your back rank is completely protected by your rook and your queen. So there is no fear about the back rank checkmate anymore. And also you are threatening to capture with your queen itself, right? And now look at this. Black is in a big trouble. Why? His knight is under attack, is under serious attack now, under real attack. Once he ran away, he moved his knight away, maybe back to f5 or even c6 or even b5, wherever he goes. You can simply what? Capture this guy, right, guys? So wherever he goes, you can capture this bishop for free, right, guys? You can do like that. And if he capture your knight, please don't capture the knight on the spot, because he will capture back with his queen. You can simply get rid of the bishop of the queen first, which is the defender of the knight. Capture with the rook, and now this knight is hanging for free. Eventually, you will continue with a piece up, with extra piece, which is the bishop here. Try to count the pieces, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Sorry. Yeah, there is an extra bishop over the board, which means it's a decisive winning advantage for white. So, guys, once again, don't fall for your opponent's tricks easily. You have to be even a trickier player. You have to be, I mean, more sneaky, more, I mean, what I want to say is, I mean, you have to look deeper in the position. Don't be like a naive. I'm sorry to say that, but you don't have to be a naive chess player. If you are, of course, you will lose a lot of games. Okay, guys, any question here, guys, in this position? I hope you understood this, because actually this was a tough one, more than the previous one. Okay, so everything is clear, guys. Please make sure 100% before we go for the last example. Faizan. Okay, I will pick Faizan first. Please hold on, Naira. Any question, Faizan? Any doubt?
So why can't we keep the queen to b4?
You want to play the queen on b4 here?
Yes.
Keep your mic muted. Keep your mic unmuted until I finish analysis with you. So you want to go queen b4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the idea? I mean, what is the punishment here? You give your opponent enough time to run away with his knight. He can just get back, just retreat back to the f5 square, right? And now he's alive. He could survive. I mean, you couldn't punish his bad trick, because actually after queen b4, what's your idea? You're attacking only one target. You have only one target, which is the knight, right?
No, if we move somewhere else other than f5, we can go to e7, right?
Yes, you can go, but actually, your idea is to go queen f7, queen e7, threatening f7. But actually, okay, if you want to do that, you can simply capture the knight to clear this square for your queen, right? And once he capture back with the pawn, just for example, you want to go here. This is your idea, right?
Yes.
But actually, it's not a complete idea, because simply there is bishop e8. Bishop e8 guarding. See, now the queen is guarding f7, and also the bishop is guarding f7, and your queen is under attack now by the queen, which means maybe you will go for trade-off, just exchanging the queens, which is good. I mean, fine for black, or retreat back, which is even more fine for black, right? And if you look at the position, it's completely equal. How many pieces do you have? 4 pieces against 4 pieces. How many pawns do you have? 6 pawns against 6 pawns, which is completely, I mean, equal chances for both sides, right, Mohammed? So Faizan, thanks for your analysis. Very, very good. Yeah, very good note found by Faizan. But actually, you have to think ahead. This is our ultimate goal today, to understand what is the concept called thinking ahead in chess. You have to think ahead before making any decision. Okay, guys. So please don't fall for your opponent's tricks. I will repeat that over and over again, because actually, at your own age, at your current level, it's easy for you to get tricked. I mean, you know, beginners always love to capture pieces. So any piece for free, you love to capture. You think chess is all about capturing pieces. And even in the academy, in face-to-face sessions, I note that in your real games, I mean, you always count your pieces. You count your opponent pieces. You always celebrate when you capture an extra pawn or even an extra queen. But of course, chess is not all about, I mean, how many pieces do you have? Because material is not the most important factor. As I told you guys, and I'm telling you, I mean, again now, your king safety and your piece activity should be your first priority during your games, right? Okay,